wants and needs. What do we want? Wants are things we would like to have. People want different things. Maria wants a kitten. A kid wants a new bicycle. What do we need? Need are things we must have to live. People need the same thing. We need a home to live in. We need food and water to grow and keep healthy. We need clothes to keep us warm. Needs are also things what are important to us and help us. Jimmy needs a pencil to do her homework. Sam needs new sneakers to walk to school. We need money to buy the things we want and need. People have a job to get money. Some people make or grow things to sell. A farmer grows food. A truck driver takes the food to the store. We go to the store to buy the food we need. Who do we need? Some people have service jobs. These are jobs that help other people get what they need. We need to learn and to be safe and healthy. People, police officers have service jobs. They help us and keep us safe. Doctors have service jobs. They help keep us healthy. Teachers have service jobs too. They help us learn. While other people have jobs that help us.